our viewpoint is that every situation, every case, every individual that we represent or business that we represent has a different position. Every fact, every situation needs to be considered on its own. It can't not be grouped together with, although there are common issues, it can't be grouped together as a one-size-fits-all case. Regardless of the difficulties or complexities that may come along with your personal situation. Some cases are simple, but that doesn't mean that that simple case is not going to mess up your complex life or what it is that you do for a living. For example, somebody that is has certain certifications or licenses, their case is going to need to be treated differently, and you're needing to look at the collateral consequences that come along with something like a DWI or drug possession case separate and apart from somebody that may not have those same licenses or certifications or goals in their life, because again, every case and every person is different, and you have to take that into account every time you get hired on a case, every time you go into the courtroom on a case. And that's part of the reason why when we approach specifically more serious offenses, we try and approach them from the front end. We don't wait for something to happen. We don't want to wait for the government to necessarily take action, specifically if we're given the opportunity to get way out in front of an offense. If we're able to get hired very soon after something happens, then very soon after arrest, or even before an arrest occurs, during an investigation, then that enables us many times, not every time, but many times, to slow things down, get way out in front of the case, and say, it gives us more power, and we're able to dictate how things are going to go instead of letting them happen to the client. The client can be more prepared. The client can take steps into the future to know how certain things need to be addressed and move forward more systematically than having to recover from having things happen unexpectedly.